Yeah, attorney, what if the Registry of Deeds was the one who falsified a deed of sale of a fake land title?
Okay. So, for example, isang dokumento issued by the Registry of Deeds, there is a presumption of regularity. Pag in-issue yan ng isang government agency, as long as totoo yun, hindi peke siya mismo ang nag-issue, yung isang government agency mismo nag-issue, there is a presumption of its regularity. So therefore, kung hindi mo i-question niya sa korte, it means totoo yung ginagawa ng isang government agency. So, kung example, naapektuhan ka sa isang titulo na hindi naman totoo pala, mali pala yung ginagawa ng Registry of Deeds, kailangan ka mag-file ng petition sa court for the annulment of the title. Otherwise, the presumption of regularity on the part of the Registry of Deeds will prevail.
Ayan. Wala naman. Miss Lala, dito kay siguro last na
Donnie Lazo, ayan. From Donnie Lazo, what if the signature on the acknowledgement of paternity was forged? Can we file a case po ba, attorney?
For example, yan. Naka-forge ang isang acknowledgement of paternity. Naka-forge, ibig sabihin doon, falsification of a public document kasi naka-notarize yun Di ba? So, pag falsification of a public, ang kaso doon, falsification of a public document, hindi kailangan na may damage of the part sa bata o hindi kailangan may damage of the part sa... Hindi mo kailangan i-prove na may damage of the part sa tatay kasi peki yung perma niya. As long as pineki ang perma niya in a public document, that is already a crime. Hindi kailangan na nakabenepisyo or may damage o walang damage. Hindi irrelevant yan pag public document. Kasi pag public document ang pinag-usapan, as long as may pineki ang perma sa isang public document, there's already a crime. Falsification of a public document. That's why palagi kong kino-compare. Iba yung private document, iba yung public document. Pag public document, irrelevant kung nakabenepisyo ka o hindi. Irrelevant kung may damage or wala. As long as pineki mo isang public document, ang kaso is falsification of a public document. Pag private document, kailangan mong papatunayan na nakabenepisyo ang isang falsifier. Kailangan mong papatunayan na may damage on the part of the government or to third person. Kung hindi mo mapatunayan yung benepisyo or damage, acquitted ang isang akusado.